Here are some tips on finding the right criminal defense attorney for your case and for yourself. When you start looking for a criminal defense attorney, one of the first things you might do is get on Google and search for best criminal defense attorney and then insert the name of the town that you're in. Once you start looking at those results though, it's important to start digging deep. You want to know if this attorney has ever been a prosecutor or only been a defense attorney. How long have they practiced in the jurisdiction that you're facing these charges in? Have they been in front of this judge in this courtroom? Have they tried cases to juries in that jurisdiction? And more specifically, have they handled a case like yours? Now, sometimes that's not going to be evident by just looking at their websites. So I'd recommend creating a short list of people that you're considering. People that you've vetted by looking at their reviews and getting a general idea of whether there is substance behind what they've put out on the internet. As you start making the phone calls to speak to attorneys, the first question you're going to have is, are you actually speaking to an attorney? It is standard practice for you to call someone, perhaps a receptionist or someone else working the front lines, to take that initial phone call, but are you transferred immediately to an attorney? Or if not, how quickly does an attorney actually call you back? When you speak to that attorney, is the attorney listening to the problem that you have? Are they asking intelligent questions? Do they seem like they care? Ultimately, you're looking for an attorney who is willing to listen to you, whether that's over the phone, by Zoom, or in person, understand who you are as a person, your background, and also understand how you found yourself being arrested or facing a criminal investigation or criminal charges. Those interactions that you have with the attorney are going to help you make a decision about who is going to best represent you in court. Someone who understands your story fully is going to be able to tell that story much more compellingly than someone who's only hit the tops of the waves when they're talking to you, or someone who hasn't even asked you questions about yourself. The other issue that comes up in determining who the best attorney for you is also pricing. You need to ask an attorney what their rates are. Do they charge a flat fee for their services, or is it an hourly fee? Does it vary depending on the type of case? There are advantages and disadvantages to flat fees, just as there are to hourly fee models. So you'll want to talk to an attorney about how they structure pricing and see if that works for you. You may find the best attorney in the world, but if it's not financially feasible to hire that attorney, you'll want to continue looking for other attorneys who might fit the price point that you're looking for. Because inevitably, if you call 5 attorneys, you're going to get 5 different prices. You should not, though, go with the cheapest attorney. There's a reason attorneys set their prices at certain levels, and it's because that's what their services are worth. Some attorneys don't actually charge as much as they're worth. But if you see an attorney who is selling their services for cheap, that tells you a couple of things. That tells you that perhaps the market's not willing to pay a higher rate for that attorney, but it also shows you that attorney's probably dealing in volume. The only way to make a low fee work is if you have lots and lots of cases. You don't want an attorney that has hundreds of cases. You want an attorney that knows you, your family, your history, and again, can ultimately present the most compelling version of events to a prosecutor, to a judge, or potentially someday a jury. So these are things that you should keep in mind when you're interviewing attorneys and doing your due diligence in finding the right attorney for your case. When you find the right attorney, it's important to make that hiring decision immediately or as soon as you can. There are a number of reasons for this. First, a proactive attorney is going to help you get the best results, period. By being proactive, by getting started earlier, both on the investigation as well as on mitigation, which are the things that the attorney can guide you through to improve your situation. Getting started early will almost always result in a better outcome. Second, when you find the right attorney, getting that attorney on your team is important because if you hire a second, it's going to be more expensive to fix the problems the first attorney created than it would have been to hire us from the beginning. We're making these videos in response to questions that we've received here on our YouTube channel or through our website. So drop a question below if you have any question regarding criminal law in Texas or federal criminal law, and check out our website, vergestexas.com.